Today, we are going to discuss about top 8 interview questions for electrical switchgear companies. Question 1. What is meant by reach point of the relay? The farthest point from the relay location, which is still inside the zone of protection, is called the reach point. Question 2. What is difference between fuse and breaker? Fuses are burnt when overcurrent flows in the circuit, but circuit breakers will just open during overcurrent. Thus fuses are used for only once, but breakers can used by multiple number of times. Question 3. What is the difference between isolators and electrical circuit breakers? Isolators are mainly for switching purpose under normal conditions, but they cannot operate in fault conditions. Actually, they used for isolating the CBS for maintenance. Whereas CB gets activated under fault conditions according to the fault detected. Question 4. Explain the working of an overcurrent relay and mention the types of it. An overcurrent relay has a single input in the form of AC current. The output of the relay is a normally open contact, which changes over to closed state when the relay trips. The relay has two settings. These are the time setting and the plug setting. The time setting decides the operating time of the relay, while the plug setting decides the current required for the relay to pick up. There are 3 types of overcurrent relay. 1. Instantaneous overcurrent relay. 2. Definite time overcurrent relay. 3. Inverse time overcurrent relay. Question 5. Explain the working of an IDMT relay. In an IDMT, inverse definite minimum time relay, the operating principle is based on the idea that with the more severe a fault is, the faster it should be cleared to avoid damage to the apparatus. It is inverse in the sense, the tripping time will decrease as the magnitude of fault current increase. Question 6. How to select the pickup value of a relay? We can set the pickup value of the relay, keeping in mind that the relay should allow normal load as well as a certain degree of overload to be supplied. Thus the pickup value of the relay should be more than the allowable maximum load. At the same time, the relay should be sensitive enough to respond to the smallest fault. Thus, the pickup value should be less than the smallest fault current. Question 7. How to set the operating time of a relay? A relay must get an adequate chance to protect the zone under its primary protection. Only if the primary protection does not clear the fault, the backup protection should initiate tripping. Thus, as soon as the fault takes place, it is sensed by both the primary and the backup protection. Naturally, the primary protection is the first to operate, its operating time being less than that of the backup relay. We have to allow for the overshoot of the primary relay, so that there is proper coordination between the primary and the backup. Question 8. When do we use IDMT relays and DTOC relays? IDMT relays have better fault clearing times over DTOC relays. But, DTOC relays are used for lines which are short in length as ZS greater than ZL and if remains almost same. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our electrical engineering channel.